Brad Williams, Excel primed, combine multiple columns into a new 4-row by 5-column list. Does it look familiar? Should. All we're doing is taking the wrap calls, changing the layout. Using wrap rows, I'm going to put a V-stack, and our output's going to be as shown here. We're grabbing the 4 bits of data. We have our blocks. We have block 1, block 2, block 3. Then, based on our wrap rows, we're going to require an output. Here we're asking for 5. Keep in mind, we need to go across wrap rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We look at this first block, we have cricket, volleyball, bowling, bowling, golf. Is that our output? Yes. How about the last output? You look at lime, avocado, banana, grapes from the bottom up. Lime, avocado, banana, grapes, figs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It just happens to fit that perfectly. That's the V-stack nested inside wrap columns. If you're having a tough time understanding this, look at the wrap calls tutorial with V-stack where I broke it down. We're essentially doing the same thing with the wrap rows. Read it if you need it. Play around with the anatomy. Change it up if you need to. Increase the size of the blocks with different data if you want. Shrink them, enlarge. Mess around with this stuff. That's what this is all about. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.